Kishano Ajuga Aingi Han Halo and a sense of a blog was see makeup I gave up makeup Kimatandani Ajuga I Han the sense of a blog was in now about gender transformation makeup I done a gender transformation makeup I gender on Toga gave by the part in the Pita to get the Pita in the Paras my makeup style. This is my first vlog. My
sim lagi kedna lei ragi yasi kitabal sundanaba make sim lagi kedna lei ragi yasi kitabal sundanaba
mayamna video siu pambiragadi like share and subscribe soidina tawinaba haijari ajuga matung tarapda su tonga ba makeup style kya ba mayamda share tawjarake mayamba